Tokarti.
Uçuyor çünkü. Dünya sen getiriyorsan bakmayacağız işte.
Citizens had a hard time due to the short-term storm and heavy rain in Izmir. The storm, which started in the sea in the northern districts of Zirozmir, where the hot weather was effective, around 15.00, affected the life negatively in the districts of Karaburun, Urla, and Foka. Due to the sudden storm, the citizens outside were surprised. The stormy rain in Bergama district was also effective. Subscribe to the channel and keep abreast of natural changes on the planet.